The island of Saint-Domingue, a French colony, thrived on sugar. This wealth came at a terrible price: the forced labor of enslaved Africans. In 1791, these oppressed people rose up. They demanded the same rights and freedoms enjoyed by French citizens. This uprising was the beginning of the Haitian Revolution. The enslaved Africans were not fighting for a few improvements. They wanted complete freedom. They were tired of cruelty and injustice. Their fight was for a just and equal society. This fight resonated far beyond the shores of Saint-Domingue. The French Revolution, with its ideals of liberty, equality, and fraternity, fueled the Haitian struggle. The enslaved population saw in these ideals a vision for their own future. They were determined to make this vision a reality. They were willing to fight and die for it. The Haitian Revolution quickly became a complex web of alliances and betrayals. Different factions within Saint-Domingue had their own agendas. Spain and Britain, eager to see France weakened, took advantage of the chaos. They provided support to the revolutionaries. This made an already volatile situation even more unpredictable. France, facing a slave rebellion in its most profitable colony, responded with force. The French army, dispatched to Saint-Domingue, had a clear mission: crush the rebellion and restore order. The soldiers arrived expecting an easy victory. They underestimated the revolutionaries' resolve. The French army was a formidable force. It had experienced soldiers and superior weaponry. However, the French soldiers were unprepared for the reality of fighting in Saint-Domingue. The tropical climate was harsh and unforgiving. Diseases, particularly yellow fever, ravaged their ranks. The French army also faced a cunning and resourceful enemy. Leaders like Toussaint Louverture, a former slave, emerged. Louverture was a skilled strategist and a charismatic leader. He united the formerly enslaved population under his command. The revolutionaries used their knowledge of the terrain to their advantage. They waged a guerrilla war, ambushing French patrols and disappearing into the dense forests. The French, accustomed to traditional European warfare, were caught off guard. The Battle of Vertières, fought on November 18, 1803, was a turning point in the Haitian Revolution. The French army, under the command of Rochambeau, faced the forces of Jean-Jacques Dessalines. Dessalines had taken up the mantle of leadership after Louverture's capture. The French, already weakened by disease and demoralized by years of relentless fighting, were no match for the Haitian army's ferocity. The revolutionaries, fighting for their freedom and the future of their nation, overwhelmed the French. The Haitian victory at Vertières effectively ended France's hopes of holding on to its most valuable colony. The Haitian Revolution, however, came at a great cost. Years of conflict had decimated the population